This is my website. It's called flowersbylori.com, and this is the home page. This is a website for all things flower, like it says. It's for people who enjoy flowers and they want to learn inexpensive ways to do nature crafts or flower arrange. And I have different photos here of different flowers and flower arrangements. This is my wildflowers page. It was my most difficult page to do. It talks about plant identification and wildflower picking. And it was hard because I had a hard time trying to get these photos to align to the opposite sides. And then I also had a little trouble with the captions and getting those to align where I wanted them to. As I would work on this particular page, and as soon as I had it almost the way I wanted, I would make one change and then it would just realign every single thing and I'd have to start it over again. So that's why it was very difficult for me to do this page. This is my floral design page. I have a little article about choosing flowers, and then this is a video that I did in another class that talks about how to make a bud vase, which is a very simple floral arrangement. And I had to go online to figure out how to add the video to my website. But once I had it, I thought it was going to be hard, but once I did it, it actually wasn't that hard at all. And I think the biggest trouble I had with this page is just trying to get the video to the spot where I wanted it to go and the article on the side that I wanted that to go on. Otherwise, it wasn't that difficult. This is my about page. It was my easiest page. It's just pretty straightforward. A selfie of me and a little paragraph about myself. This is my contact page. It's a page where I want to invite people who visit my website to add their own little comments or suggestions or tips or whatever about flower arranging. And I'm hoping that I did this right so that people could just write their comments, and then other people who visit the website can also view those comments and read them as well. This is my style guide, and down here, this for my logo, I just did a flower icon and wrote by Lori, which is the name of my website, Flowers by Lori. And I chose yellow as my background color because it's warm and sunny, and flowers and sunshine kind of go together. And then green to represent the foliage and the leaves of the flowers. And pink matched the color of my blackberry blossom photo, and lavender matched the color of my lupins photos that I had. I chose the Georgia font for headings, and I made that italic. It was just a soft, sort of old-fashioned looking font to me. And then I chose Courier New because it looked like an old-fashioned typewriter, and it was kind of going for sort of an old-fashioned, soft sort of feel with this website. And then there's my practice like everyone else has. And that's my website. The hardest part about this website was just the class in general, was learning how to do code. I've never done code before in my life, never anything close to that. And so it was really difficult for me to learn this, and I felt really overwhelmed and confused at first, but I kept at it. And even though I still feel like I have a lot to learn, I feel like I've got a starting reference in case I ever need to know how to do this in a job. And that's all. Thank you.